Hi viewers, welcome to the today's session of the video of A to Z lab. In this video we are going to build a light from in this bulb. Let's see what equipments we are going to need for today's experiment. First of all, this is a bottle. This is a poster color bottle which we get from Camel box. One bottle and some tiny screws. This is known as T20 and this is socket screw and a nicrom wire. You can easily get this from shop of electronics. Let me show you properly. Nicrom wire. This is very electrical resistive wire. It has highest resistance in this nicrom wire, and a candle, small candle. This is candle which I have made, very cute small candle. So, and a nut to make hole in this bottle. Let's start. This is our bottle. Make hole in this. I'm just using this nut screw to make hole to this bottle. Not zooming. It's very closer to this. You can use your idea to build this. Let me do. While doing this house experiments, be safe and do properly. This much hole is fine in this. No, this is a very tiny hole. Let me make it a bigger one. Much fine. Much bigger. I need to push this properly. We have done. Need this screw for a couple of times, which will make not bigger hole to this cap. Okay. I will fast forward for this step. I will show you how to fit. I have done this second hole. You can see. Okay, like this. Another hole we have to. This is a very easy experiment. Let's see further what will happen. Okay, our second hole is also done. Now let's see our nut and bolt. Nut bolt can fix in this. Open this cap. Oh, our holes are perfect. Use the screwdriver to fix it, which will help you. Be gentle while fixing this, because if you speed up, cannot be done work properly. Same problem. I'm trying to speed up. I'm successfully possible to fit one screw. Oh, yes, why this suction cap should be fixed properly also, because this will not allow any air pass inside this. Focusing. Okay. Let's go for second one. Same technique. I'm pushing this forcefully because it's not going easily. Now let's screw this. One step is remaining. Let me presently skip. We have to get wire like this to fit to these terminals. Which one will be negative and another will be positive. This is not a positive negative terminal sensitive. We can connect as required poles. Like this, one terminal, and tie this. Tight the nut. That's it. This is tight. Wires are nicely fixed. Now go for the further step. These socket like bushings are extra work. You have to put it over top. Do this gently because these all equipments are very very brittle, which can break easily. This is our nut. If you want to make it tough, just little tight. Okay, now unscrew this. This is our nicrom wire. Get this terminal run nicely and put it over this nicely to make it fix. One turn is fine, and just like that for another turn, as you see, like this. Nice. Okay, now tight the screw to make it fix. lost the screw. Got it. Okay, tight it gently. Shouldn't break any part. Okay, see properly. We have done it. Like this. Nicely done. How is it looking? Fine. Now we have to put this inside this. Facing some issue. No problem. We have done. This is our final last step. Perfectly done. Now just we have to start this, complete the circuit. First of all, that we have to make vacuum in this bottle. For that we are going to light a candle in this. Be careful at this step because it is fire. We have to go. We have to try something new. Let's go for one more try. Trying to burn this candle but not working. You can try this step also. Break this and fire. Just keep in this hand. No, wrong step. Okay, a step, final step is done. Now there will be vacuum in this. Let's start it. Be safe at this step because it could burst also. Okay, let's try now. Be safe at this step because this could be dangerous. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I think burn out. Let's see what happens. Oh, The element is broken. We have failed this experiment. In further video, let's see something new. We will try something new. Okay, bye. Stay updated. In another video, we will try to make something new. What was a challenge? Okay, see you. Stay tuned for next further updates, and there will be some failure. No problem, we could achieve it. Okay, bye. I got an idea. Let's try it. We will get a matchstick, fire up, and try to burn this bottle. Not possible. Let's try one more time. Be ready. We need this. As bottle get heated, flame will off. We would directly put the cap. Burn. Okay, some oxygen has been eliminated. Now let's try the circuit. I will connect it. Let's see what happens. I will make more zoom to this place because that is the main point where going to happen everything. Okay, 1 2 3 go. Oh, it's so quick. Okay, that's it. In this section we had shown that we were trying to eliminate oxygen from this bottle but unsuccessful. In another time we will do something bigger bottle and try to eliminate oxygen from that. Okay, that's it. I have done everything till now. Stay tuned for further video. Like, share, subscribe to A2Z Lab. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. One part is remain. What happened? We have to show. Rolling down. Let's see what happened. Oh, as you can see, the wires are totally melt down. Very interesting, very nice. This is the short circuit of wire which are gone molten totally. Okay, that's it. Oh, you can see the marks of the burning on the screw. It's very insane. That's it. Let's go for in this video. Thank you for watching this video. For like this interesting video, stay subscribed to our channel, and most important, so your support is very important for us. Subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Like, share, subscribe to A2Z Lab. Thank you.